Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And hi, today we are going to present our assignment one, which is our title we pick is uh, short key diode. First of all, let me introduce our group members. First is our leader, Muhammad Akif bin Muhammad Sis. Secondly, Muhammad Arif Shaufi bin Muhammad Sharif. Next, Muhammad Fakhrul Ikhwan bin Bazli, Muhammad Aiman Basri bin Muhammad Nazir, and lastly, me, Muhammad Nasrullah bin Ibrahim. Uh, and I will continue with the objective.
Assalamualaikum, I am Muhammad Akif, and this is the objective. First, to gain more knowledge and understanding about this subject, to get interpretation on electromagnetic field and its application, to develop teamwork between students. Literature review. Schottky diode is a metal semiconductor junction diode that has less voltage drop than the PN junction. It can be used in high-speed switching application when a p-type semiconductor is joined with an n-type semiconductor. A junction is formed between p-type and n-type. The Schottky diode is named after German physicist Walter H. Schottky. Metals such as aluminium or platinum replace the p-type semiconductor in Schottky diode. These diodes are widely used in radio frequency application. Schottky has a lot of names such as barrier diode, surface barrier diode, majority carrier device, or hot carrier diode. Next, this figure shows a junction that is known as a metal semiconductor junction or MS junction. This is formed by joining n-type semiconductor to an aluminium or platinum metal. This will create a barrier or depletion layer known as Schottky barrier. The Schottky diode can switch on and off much faster than the PN junction diode. Also, the Schottky diode produces less unwanted noise than PN junction diode. These two characteristics of Schottky diode make it very useful in high-speed switching power circuit. Next, I will continue with how Schottky diode works.
My name is Muhammad Arif Shafi. I will continue with how Schottky diode works. First, unbiased Schottky diodes. When the metal is joined with the n-type semiconductor, the free electrons in the n-type semiconductor will move to metal to establish an equilibrium state. As a result, the atom at the metal junction gain extra electrons and the atom and the n-side junction lose electrons. This is diagram where you can see electron from n-type move to metal junction, and the electron from metal junction gains more electrons, and n-type electron will lose more electrons. Forward bias Schottky diodes. Forward bias is a conduction where positive terminal of the battery is connected to the metal and negative terminal is connected to the n-type semiconductor in Schottky diode. When the forward bias voltage is applied to Schottky diodes, many electrons will be generated in the n-type semiconductor and metals. The free electron cannot cross the junction unless a voltage bigger than 0.2 volt is applied. C. Reverse bias Schottky diodes. Reverse bias simply is a reverse forward bias where the negative terminal is connected to the metals and the positive terminal is connected to the n-type semiconductor. I will continue with application of Schottky diode.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, the example of application of Schottky diode is Schottky diode are used as general purpose rectifiers. It also used in radio frequency application. Then Schottky diode also widely used in power supplies. Schottky diode are used to detect signal, and lastly, Schottky diode are used in logic circuits. Okay, for the discussion, although the Schottky diode shares many of its characteristics with the other diode, it still has some significant differences between the other diodes. Because of that, by understanding the Schottky diode specs and parameter help us to know how to use it in the effective ways. To do that, here's some information about Schottky diode. First, basic Schottky diode characteristic. The Schottky diode is a majority carrier device in N-type material. Schottky diode, also known as Schottky barrier diode. As both sides have an electron, Schottky diode is unipolar devices. Unipolar means only having one pole, that is N-type pole, and does not P-type pole like other diodes. Okay, A, the symbol of the diode. B, the picture of structure of Schottky diode. And C, Schottky diode for characteristic. Okay, as you see in the picture, Schottky diode for characteristic is very similar to PN junction diode, except the corner or voltage at which the MS junction starts to conduct is much lower at around 0.4 volt. Due to this lower value, the forward current of a silicon Schottky diode can be many times larger than of a typical PN junction diode, depending on the metal electrode used. By using the Ohm's law, P equal to VI, a smaller forward voltage drop for a given diode current will produce lower forward power dissipation in the form of heat across the junction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. My name is Muhammad Basri. Today I want to present to you about the advantage and disadvantage of Schottky diode. There are several advantages and disadvantages of Schottky diode over a regular diode. First of all, the advantage: faster recovery time. The small amount of the charge stored within a Schottky diode make it ideal for high-speed switching application. Then, less noise. The Schottky diode will produce less unwanted noise than PN junction diode. Then, better performance. The Schottky diode will consume less power and can easily meet low voltage application requirement. The disadvantages: first of all, more leaking current when connected in reverse. A reverse bias Schottky diode will experience a higher level of reverse current than a regular diode. Then, lower maximum reverse voltage. Once the value is exceeded, then the Schottky diode limit, it will be breaking down and start to conduct a large amount of reverse current. However, even before reaching this reverse value, the Schottky diode will still leak a small amount of current like any other diode. Then the conclusion. Therefore, the conclusion can be made that having diode with lower diameters have more advantage when creating Schottky diode. This lab has demonstrated how a Schottky diode has been made and what the different characteristics are. Due to the lower power needed and the fast switching ability, Schottky diode can be used much more universally than standard PN diode.
For the reference, we got a source from the internet with some reference that we state here. And I think that's all from us for the electric assignment for the Schottky diode. And thanks for